What's up, guys? It's me, Geek. So the question is that is buying a Samsung NX Mini in 2019 worth it? Again, this you can get for around 200 bucks brand new or used for around 150. This is a 1-inch sensor. A 1-inch sensor. The good thing is that the lens is only like around 9mm. I mean, to be honest with you, which is quite wide, also quite slim. This is the slimmest pancake lens ever I have seen in my entire life. The good thing is that you can charge this one by a micro USB, the flip out screen. Again, 9mm is quite wide. I mean, for example, the camera is close. I really like this feature. Let me see. Let me turn off the camera. The camera is close. Okay. When I try to just flip out, the camera suddenly open. You see, I don't need to press any button, which is amazing. And good thing is that you can charge by a micro USB. Again, some of the old camera you need to use external power adapter to charge, which I really hated. Again, now let me close it and then show you the battery. Okay, let me close. Here we go. Okay, yeah. Okay, here's the battery. So here is the battery, as you can see. I mean, you can easily buy this battery online for Amazon with absolutely no problem. So the question is that should you buy this camera in 2019 or not? I'll be telling you definitely yes, you must buy this camera in 2019 because this is the smallest 1-inch camera ever, to be honest with you. This is nearly the same size of Sony WX500 or the new Sony HC99. Yeah, to be honest with you, or the new WX800 or the Canon G9X Mark II. Okay, we put like this, and then yeah, the image quality is literally very much amazing. I'm not going to put video in this one. I'm just going to put some pictures. Okay, in 2019 should you buy this camera? Okay, I'm going to put some JPEG picture and then you can sit back, relax and enjoy. But you can click the card button to watch my in-depth review of this camera with video footage. So it was me, Gmail. Subscribe and bye.
Plans telling me that I have 2 weeks to leave her. She telling me 2 weeks she leaving me. It make her too weak to speak to me. But she said fortnight, 14 days. She says to me, Jane, no write out lines, white out lines and just freestyle whatever on your mind at the time. So I'm asking her like, why you crying? And not lying. What I need to give, I'm flying back to where I live. And girl, I know to you it seem hard, but Uncle Sam want me out in country cause I don't possess no green card. No hurricane couldn't stop me. And apparently all the what's in the world must a shock me. Cause I keep saying no single and alone. And not even a mingle when a home skin a tingle. When I ring you on the phone you have to hand it to me. Read the future good, it mandatory. You understand the story.